Your product roadmap for 2025 is probably deficient, not because your features are bad, but because every feature now needs a privacy impact assessment. I'll show you how DPDP is forcing a fundamental rethink of your product development strategy. Last week, a product manager of mine showed me their Q1 roadmap: new analytics dashboard, AI powered insights, seamless third party integrations. I asked him one question: where's your consent flow architecture? And so there was no answer to that. Every feature that touches personal data now needs five additional considerations. First, the consent journey. It's not about adding a checkbox. You need progressive consent, just in time permissions, granular controls. That amazing one click onboarding, it might just now need three more clicks. But here's the secret: users actually prefer transparent data handling when it is done right. Also, data minimization by design. That user profile enrichment feature, pulling data from 10 different sources, please redesign it to work with 3 and not 10. Constraints breed innovation. The best products are now finding ways to deliver more value with less data. Third, the reversibility requirement. Every feature must be reversible. User grants access to contacts for a feature, they should be able to revoke it without losing core functionality. This is forcing modular architecture whether you planned for it or not. Fourth, the audit trail. Every data interaction needs logging, not just for compliance but for trust. Smart products are turning these logs into user facing features. See exactly how we use your data is becoming a selling point. Fifth, the retention rethink. Machine learning model training on 5 years of user data, you might need to rebuild it for 90-day windows. You no longer have luxury of using that 5-year legacy data. This is pushing teams forward towards more efficient and real-time algorithms. Let me share what we did here. Our performance review model used to aggregate 3 years of data by default. Post DPDP, we redesigned it to be time boxed with user control. The result: managers actually prefer the focused view and compliance built in. The biggest mind shift is that privacy is becoming a product differentiator. While competitors add consent banners as afterthoughts, forward thinking teams are building privacy controls as core features. Here's a framework that we are using. For every feature, ask 5 questions. What data does it really need? Can it work with anonymized data? How does the user revoke access? What happens to the data after use? How do we prove compliance? But here's what excites me: these constraints are forcing better products, features are becoming more focused, interfaces are becoming cleaner, value propositions are clearer to the user, and when you can't hold data, you're forced to deliver immediate value. The smartest product teams are already building privacy vaults, consent orchestration layers, and data clean rooms. They are not just complying, they are innovating. Tomorrow, I'll bring it all together with specific implications for HRMS and B2B SaaS platforms, including the 5 features every platform would need by the year end. Your product roadmap isn't just about features anymore, it's about building trust architectures that happen to deliver features. Follow me for more such insights. Thank you.